Have you ever seen a gemstone that seems to contain an entire galaxy of colors? That extraordinary gem is the black opal, one of the rarest and most valuable gemstones on Earth. Despite its name, a black opal is not completely black. Instead, it has a very dark body tone, usually dark gray, deep blue, or black. This dark background creates a dramatic contrast that makes its colorful flashes appear brighter than those of other opals. So, how does a black opal form? Scientists explain that opals form when water-containing dissolved silica slowly seeps into cracks and cavities in rocks. Over millions of years, the water evaporates, leaving behind tiny silica spheres. When these spheres are arranged in a highly regular pattern, they diffract light, creating the famous play of color effect. This optical phenomenon is what makes precious opals so unique. Most of the world's finest black opals come from Lightning Ridge in New South Wales, Australia. This region has produced exceptional black opals for more than a century and is considered the world's most famous source. One reason black opals are so valuable is their rarity. Only a small percentage of all opals display a strong play of color on a naturally dark background. Let's look at some of the most valuable varieties. The first is the Harlequin black opal. Gemologists consider this one of the rarest opal patterns in the world. It displays large, square, or diamond-shaped patches of color arranged in a regular mosaic pattern. Because this pattern is extremely uncommon, Harlequin black opals can command exceptionally high prices. The second famous variety is the red flash black opal. Red is the rarest color naturally seen in opals. Stones showing bright red flashes, especially together with orange, green, and blue, are highly prized by collectors and jewelers. Another remarkable variety is the multicolor black opal. These gems display nearly every color of the rainbow, changing dramatically as the stone moves under light. This shifting display makes every stone completely unique. Black opals are relatively soft compared to diamonds. They have a hardness of about 5.5 to 6.5 on the Mohs scale, so they should be handled with care to avoid scratches or impacts. When professionals evaluate a black opal, they consider several important factors. These include the brightness of the colors, the rarity of the color pattern, the body tone, the size of the gemstone, and the quality of the polish. It is also important to know that not every black opal on the market is natural. Some stones are treated or assembled as doublets or triplets to improve their appearance. Reputable gemological laboratories can help verify whether a stone is a solid natural black opal. Collectors often prefer natural stones with strong brightness, vivid colors, and rare patterns because they are more difficult to find. Throughout history, opals have fascinated people because no two stones are exactly alike. Every black opal has its own unique combination of colors and patterns created by nature over millions of years. Whether admired for jewelry, collected as a mineral specimen, or appreciated as a geological wonder, the black opal remains one of the most extraordinary gemstones ever discovered. Its remarkable play of color, exceptional rarity, and natural beauty continue to make it one of the world's most sought-after precious gemstones. If you enjoyed learning about black opals and other rare gemstones, be sure to subscribe for more fascinating stories about the hidden treasures of our planet. There are several factors that determine the value of a black opal. The first is brightness. Gemologists grade opals based on how bright their colors appear. A stone with vivid, intense flashes is usually worth much more than one with dull or faint colors. The second factor is color. While black opals can display every color of the rainbow, bright red is considered the rarest and often the most valuable. Stones showing red together with orange, green, and blue are especially desirable. The third factor is the pattern. Some black opals display broad flashes of color, while others show rolling patterns, pin-fire dots, or the famous Harlequin pattern. Rare and well-defined patterns can greatly increase a gemstone's value. Size also matters. Large black opals with exceptional color are extremely rare. As the carat weight increases without losing brightness or quality, the price can rise dramatically. Because black opals are valuable, Buyers should always ask for a certificate from a recognized gemological laboratory. Organizations such as the Gemological Institute of America, GIA, or other reputable gemological laboratories can identify whether an opal is natural, treated, or assembled. Proper care is also important. Unlike diamonds, opals are more delicate and can be damaged by hard impacts or sudden temperature changes. They should be stored separately from harder gemstones to prevent scratches. Another fascinating fact is that every natural black opal is unique. The arrangement of tiny silica spheres inside each stone is different, meaning no two stones have exactly the same color pattern. Today, collectors, jewelers, and museums around the world admire black opals for their extraordinary beauty and rarity. Some exceptional specimens have sold for tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars, depending on their quality, size, and rarity. Scientists continue to study opals because their unique internal structure demonstrates how microscopic silica spheres interact with light to produce spectacular colors. This natural optical effect is one of the most remarkable phenomena found in gemstones. Whether you are a collector, a jewelry enthusiast, or simply someone who loves geology, the black opal is truly one of nature's greatest masterpieces. Its brilliant flashes of color, remarkable rarity, and millions of years of geological history make it one of the world's most fascinating, precious gemstones. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing facts about diamonds, opals, rare minerals, and the incredible treasures hidden beneath the Earth's surface. Before we finish, here's one final fact about black opals. Unlike many gemstones, every natural black opal is completely unique. The microscopic silica spheres inside each stone are arranged differently, creating a one-of-a-kind pattern of color that can never be exactly duplicated by nature. That is one of the reasons collectors and museums around the world admire these remarkable gems. When buying a black opal, always choose a trusted seller and ask for a certificate from a recognized gemological laboratory. A certificate helps confirm whether the gemstone is natural, treated, or assembled, giving buyers greater confidence in their purchase. Remember, the true value of a gemstone is determined by its rarity, beauty, quality, and authenticity, not by its size alone. Learning about gemstones before buying or collecting them is one of the best ways to make informed decisions. The world of precious stones is full of amazing discoveries, from rare black opals and colorful sapphires to brilliant diamonds and magnificent emeralds. Every gemstone tells a story that began millions of years ago deep within the earth. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something new about the incredible black opal and why it is considered one of the world's most extraordinary gemstones. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more educational videos about gemstones, diamonds, gold, minerals, and fascinating discoveries from around the world. And if you'd like to support the channel and enjoy exclusive member benefits, consider joining our channel membership. Your support helps us create more high-quality videos about rare gemstones, geology, and amazing treasures hidden in nature. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep exploring, keep learning, and stay curious. Goodbye.